How to change payment method on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can change payment method on Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open a Play Store in your device. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged in with your account, then tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Once you're here, tap on payments and subscriptions. And under here, tap on payment methods. So once you're under payment methods, here you will be able to find all your payment methods that you have added. But if you would like to change it, tap on more payment settings. That's gonna take you to different pages in your browser. So there you will be able to find all the payment methods that you have added. If you have added your credit or debit card, that's gonna pop up right there. So if you want to remove that, simply tap on remove. And once you have removed your credit or debit card, and if you want to add another payment, tap on add a payment method. And then you can add another payment method. You can either add your new credit or debit card or any other payment method available in Google Play Store. If you want to add your credit or debit card, you have to provide all your necessary card information. So provide your card information, and with that your new card will be added as a payment method in your Google Play Store. And that's how you can change payment method in Google Play Store. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.